Hello, guys and gals. Welcome to the Trading Mechanic. And here is one stock that I was really popped my eye here. Walmart, WMT. Here on the daily chart, it started to catch my eye because we're really quite oversold on the RSI, and then from the RSI, I was starting to look around and seeing we're running right into these EMAs. The 150 and the 200 EMA. So I was looking into the weekly chart. I've kind of marked this out already here for us on the chart. I have a small little gap that I was looking at here from on the weekly. We kind of tagged into it last week, right here, where we got fairly oversold here, approximately 27. So I'm really starting to like this for a good bounce here. Hopefully we'll be able to see Walmart start to, especially after the Fed, maybe it wicks down and then we'll start to run up, set around here for a minute and then start to push back up. Hopefully crossover across this and try to chase the high again here. And that's kind of what I was. If you guys follow me, on the StockTwix or TradingView here, you'll be able to see kind of what I show here in this markup. Bear with me. I'm kind of a little bit newer on this, marking these out, and this is kind of what I was thinking on my stop loss here. I was going to shoot for, a close below here. That's kind of where I'm at the point where potentially get out of this. That's 5% down, and hopefully, even if we get up to our full potential target, that's 20%. And if we ended up just getting to here in the, this daily resistance level, if we don't see a break, this is a good take profit here. And then from there, we could be off to the races up to the main target here, the equal high, or make an equal high. That would be pretty good for what I can see. And it's got a lot of good stuff going on here from what I can see. The other one that's been kind of beaten up that I was quite looking at, and it's very, very interesting to me right now, is Target. Target is another one that's, well, it's had a way rougher time than Walmart has. So I was trying to find some levels here. We have a little gap here that kind of got tested into on the weekly, and this was all the way back to April of the COVID years, 20. So when I was really kind of liking this, they might try to, swing below these. I bet they'll probably end up trying to swing below this here. Try to whip out some people that were thinking here and just start to ramp it back up and continue on and go to the races up here. So this is kind of where I was at right now. This is quite interesting to me. Maybe I can get this deleted. I mean, even if it comes to the 140 here, that's a pretty good swing. We're looking at, even if it's from here to there, 30%, it's not too shabby of a deal right there. So, kind of show you what I had marked up from, in between StockTwix and TradingView here. We'll get that kind of set up here again. This was kind of my area that I was looking at, and my kind of basic little markup. Like I said, they'll probably try to sweep out the equal low that they kind of got here, sweep it down, we'll have a little bit more down potentially that can happen. But I think once it does that, it's gonna rip off in a big way here. Um, Especially whatever kind of news we get out of the the whole Fed decision stuff. It's kind of holding it down right now. I feel like it's holding a lot of stuff down. But we should be able to see some good stuff here. I think we'll be able to, have a good run to at least here. This is kind of where I'm at. Have my target, and what I'm thinking. If it happens, I think it should happen fairly quickly. At least by July or August, we'll see this actually, come to fruition here. We'll get back to the daily chart. And this is kind of what I'm looking at. You know, Let me know. Leave your comments, and if you think it's any kind of value here that I'm kind of giving you, just let you can join me on StockTwits or Trading View here. And yeah, well, I hope it was valuable and insightful for you, and I'll just continue on. Thanks for your time.